You have to look at the picture and circle which word it is. So start on top. What's the first one?
Cat. Cat.
Which word says cat?
This one.
Very good. Now what's the next one?
This it?
Yes. Very good.
Mop.
Yeah? How do you know how to read those? What is that?
Net.
Very good. She's reading those words, honey.
Yeah.
It's a wig.
What wig?
Very good. Yay! Turn the paper around. You're actually reading those words.
Bavarian.
Yes!
Sun.
Right.
Bed. Is this it?
Yes! You're getting all of those by the first sounds.
Ant.
Eh.
Ant.
What is that?
Yeah.
Very good. You were able to read those words. Now you're done. You just have to write your name at the top. I would say you're all ready for kindergarten.
Tomorrow's my last day.
Tomorrow's your last day of preschool.